and based on some chemical and the physical properties, they have arranged in different rows and columns, these groups and periods. Okay, this you are going to learn in your higher classes. Properties of materials. Based on these properties, how the classification takes place. Based on these properties, how the classification takes place. Right? First one, appearance. What is the first property, children? What is the first property?
Appearance.
Appearance. What do you mean by appearance? By
what we visualize.
Visualize.
Ma'am, these are the properties of elements.
No, these are the properties, the classification based on these properties. Elements also we can classify based on this. Or any other atoms. That's what. We can integrate many of the examples so that you will come to know. Understood? First one, appearance. In that appearance, by the visual appearance, we can simply say that how these considered as elements. For example, if we consider elements, here, for example, if the elements like 118 elements, mostly they divided into metals and non-metals. Okay, so metals are always shiny, lustrous. Okay, and by appearance itself, we'll come to know that, okay, this is metal. Okay, this is wood. Okay, this is paper. Without any touching or without any physical contact, by visual effect itself, we can come to know that what that compound is made up of which what material. Understood, children? So that easily we can sort out the components to which it belongs to. Understood or not?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay, appearance plays a major role to sort out the things. Especially here, I have given you few examples. Here you can see. Here, this by observing without knowing. How can you give the what I mean to say? How can you say that with to which material it belongs to?
Ma'am, you mean it is solid, liquid, or like that?
Okay, that also we can say whether it belongs to solid, liquid, or gas. First criteria we can take, and the other one by the color itself we can say that is nothing but a bar-shaped thing, and by lustrous, shiny appearance we can say that it's a metal. Simply we can conclude that it's a gold. And the either side of it is an paper, burning paper. So simply we can say that it's a burning paper. The material is nothing but paper. Okay. Yes or no? So when you visit to the supermarket, whenever you visit to the supermarket, by seeing the things, you can say that immediately. If you visit for the first time also, when you see the order or the rows and columns, you'll come to know that okay, this row is completely belongs to snacks. This is completely belongs to groceries. This completely belongs to containers and vessels. And here vegetables. How can you say?
By visualizing.
By visualize appearance, so that you can easily sort out, you can make a sketch inside your brain. Yes or no? So for the next time, easily you'll come to know that okay, this zone, this area belongs to that particular material. Material items. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood. Yes, ma'am.
So can we go ahead?
Yeah, ma'am.
Lustrous. So when we go to the textile industry, or especially malls, when we visit to the malls, so definitely, especially girls are very much fond of their outfit. Am I right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
So mostly based on the occasion, we'll be having a particular sketch in our mind that, okay, to that occasion, I want to be present myself like this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
I am giving this example. Don't take it in the other way. Why I am giving is, sorry. So even me and even my daughter also, if I ask her to wear any outfit, definitely she'll go. If she is going to visit a party or a birthday party, definitely she'll ask me, I want to wear this kind of dress, like fluffy, shining and lace type or somewhat. Okay. If it is any festival occasion, she want to wear a separate outfit. Though she is younger, much younger, so she can know the outfit. Am I right? Based on the lustrous appearance. Appearance also we can correlated with this lustrous. Okay, when we go across or when we go across many malls, definitely our eye will go into the gold because it is very lustrous. The way they present.
Ma'am, but when we go to a jewelry that time, if the gold and diamond are together in one session, we will look more to the diamond.
Definitely,
Yes, ma'am.
diamond is the lustrous property of diamond is much more better than gold.
Ma'am, so sometimes what happens is like whenever you go to the mall, your eyes go on the things which is more lustrous, like
Silk, especially silk.
yes, ma'am. If like your clothing is very shiny, then you would want to
Right.
shop.
Especially when you see that satin cloth, the frocks which are stitched with satin, with shiny, with a long frock, designer wear. Definitely our eye will go stick to it, and definitely we are fond of getting it, and we are very much interested to go with the shiny things. Am I right? Not
Yes,
like
ma'am.
shining means not like though, but it need to look like elegant and decent. But we definitely will go with the lustrous property. But at the same way, why if non-metals are there, non-metals means wood. So if any handloom shop is there, if we are very much fond about to take the pure cotton or somewhat, then we'll opt for the handlooms. Otherwise, if we wear this handloom material to a nice rich birthday party or some other party, we'll go with handlooms.
No, ma'am.
No, definitely. Why that boundary between the thought? Why you are making that boundary between the thought? Especially
Ma'am,
Because
because it's not
we
like
need
ma'am,
to look good, better. Maybe we should be attractive.
yes, will be much attractive so that
yes, ma'am.
especially ourselves will present in a better way and our confidence will be more. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But to look
Otherwise, we
appealing.
could go in the dress which we are in our house.
Yeah, definitely. So how we'll dress based on the occasion, based on the situation, we'll dress ourselves. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So all this,
Just to look appealing.
even though if it is a formal look also, definitely we'll opt for a lustrous thing only. Yes. So formal in the sense we'll go with white or light colors, faded colors, even though the material need to be lustrous. Yes. Especially when we go with the Christmas party, everyone will wear white. But that shining material with shining materials. Yes or not with some
Yes,
sprinkles?
ma'am. I have seen.
With
Yes,
some
ma'am.
sprinkles, sprinkled, and a nice lace with a shining, eye stunning, in such a way that will present. Then only we feel that it's a good party. Our confidence levels will be high, and what we can say that we'll be very much bold enough. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
especially based on the outfit. The same way when we go with the articles, like especially when we go with this jewelries, the jewelries also will give the effective look because the metal itself is having the imbibed property that is lustrous. No one will give its property. It is having its own property. Once we'll give the shining thing, definitely. The same way when we compare the children, definitely we'll compare with gold and diamond. Why? Because they are very strong and they themselves consist of this shiny, lustrous property by their own.
Ma'am, I think this has the property of stars. They twinkle by their light.
Yeah, yes, really. No one will give the luminous stars. It itself knows how. Because it's having its own property. If you go with the spectrum, then we'll come to know. The same way, here metals also, and even though what a diamond is not a metal, even though it is having its own property, that is lustrous property. Lustrous property. Definitely, we'll go with it. I think you understood.
Yeah, ma'am, I understood.